Hey guys, Bill here. I'm very proud to announce the release of Spotlightr 5. This video is going to be a quick rundown of the big picture changes that we made to the app. With that said, let's get into it and dive right in. Now, the first thing I want to mention is the increase in speed and how much faster the new app is. The old app, I wouldn't say was super slow, but it certainly needed some improvement, and I think we accomplished that here with Spotlightr 5. I'm just going to start clicking around here, and you'll notice that as you open up different modules and different sections of the app, it moves much faster. I'm just going to click on the project here, open up a video, open up the settings for the video, and start clicking around some of the settings. You'll see how fast it is to click around and move around and navigate. So that should really be and make a much more enjoyable experience for you overall when using the app. So I hope you like that. Second thing I want to mention is the hierarchy of how the videos are organized. So previously your videos were just listed on your dashboard, and we had groups that would help you manage the videos to help you keep track of your videos. So what we've done now is everything's organized by projects, and then your videos are placed in a project, and then a theme is applied to your project. So I'll get to the themes in a minute, more on that in a minute, but the basic idea is you create a project. I'll do that right real quick here. Then you'll apply a theme to it if you already have one created, or you choose the default, you create a new one here. I'm just going to choose the theme that I already have. Now, since I don't have any videos in this project yet, it automatically took me to upload videos or link videos. I'm going to skip that for now and just go back to projects. You can see a new project I just created here with 0 videos. As I mentioned, every video will be applied to some project. If it's not applied to a project, it'll be in the, if it's not applied to a specific project, it will be in the uncategorized project. So moving over from version 4, if you have groups already created, they will be converted into projects. So if you have 5 groups with 5 videos in each one, those will be converted into 5 projects, and the videos will stay in those projects. Any videos not in a group will be added to the uncategorized project, where you can move them wherever you want, or you can keep them uncategorized if you'd like. Okay, that's enough on that. I think it'll make a lot of sense, as you log in and see how your videos are organized. Let's talk about themes for a second. That's the next thing I want to talk about. We did have themes in version 4. We've done now is made them a much more important part of your account. More settings are now in your themes. We have the majority of our settings are actually in the theme, so that I would say most of our customers actually only need to create the theme once, and then every video they add will have all the settings they need. With that said, there are some individual settings that you can configure in individual videos, but a lot of it is inside the theme. Let me show you what I mean real quick. So let's just go to course 2 here, where I have 4 videos, and I'm going to edit one of those videos. Now, as you can see here, we have some options here on the left and some advanced options down here. One of the goals with Spotlightr 5 was to strip down a lot of the stuff that is more advanced, or is used in more edge use cases, and put the most important features in front of you. So this is going to evolve a little bit. What you see isn't necessarily what's going to be here in 2 weeks or 2 months. As we get feedback from everybody, this may change. I actually anticipate it will change, but just so you see how this is going to work initially. So you have your thumbnail, playback, captions, etc. Here's your theme. So if you see something that's not here, either in any of these options, up here, or in your advanced, it's going to be in your theme. So you just click on your theme, and here's all the other options that you're going to find that are not in the individual video. Just keep in mind, when you apply something to the theme, it will apply to every video that theme is applied to. So if I change the theme here and I have 5 videos that have this theme applied, that will change for all 5 videos. Okay, so I'm not gonna show you all the theme options. I'll let you go ahead and play around with that and check out how that works. But that is how themes are going to work with projects. So once again, just to reiterate how it's going to work with projects and themes, you have your projects, you have a theme applied to a project, and then every video that's in that project will have that theme applied. So again, this should make your work much faster and easier. You configure the theme once, every video you add to the project will now have all the features that you need. And of course, there's going to be different There's going to be a few features that maybe are to each individual video. For example, your thumbnail, that will obviously be, or in most cases, be different for every video. So that you'd configure here. Captions and transcripts, that might be a little different for each individual video. So that's why we have that here as well. The next big change I've actually mentioned already is just the brand new look and feel and the organization of the whole app. We've completely organized all the modules, as well as, you know, what you see for each individual feature set and the themes. If I go ahead and click on galleries, and let's click on new gallery, I'll just create one real quick. Everything's reorganized differently than it was in the previous version. After adding features and getting feedback, we understand more about how it should look eventually, based on us using it and users using it, and so that all that feedback sort of led us to setting these up a little differently. So all the modules are going to be set up a little differently, with your options here on the left, and what you're building is going to be on the right here. So this is going to be similar for all of the modules that you configure here: galleries, quizzes, and playlists. So just your overall experience should be a big improvement as you configure different modules and different settings on your videos. Hopefully that is the experience that you have. I think it will be, but obviously we welcome your feedback and we look forward to it. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. We'll talk soon.